Now practice this 180 turn with overhead strike. While staying in the same spot, turn 180 degrees while bringing the stick directly over your head, then bring the stick down in a straight vertical strike. Notice how the right foot remains in the same spot while the left foot moves slightly to the left to provide a stable, balanced position. Now learn this simple sequence. Prepare to thrust to the left by laying the stick or sword across your elbow with the blade facing out if you're using a sword like this. Now thrust, step forward with your right foot as you deliver an overhead strike, then perform the 180-degree turn with overhead strike. Turn to thrust. Thrust. Overhead, 180 overhead strike. Make sure that your left foot is forward when you complete this sequence. Only through continuous practice can your knowledge become skill. Now practice a 180 overhead strike, followed by an overhead strike while stepping forward. Don't forget to transfer your momentum straight up as you finish the strike. Also practice this with a backward step. Here is the rest of the strike pattern drill. Notice that after the first 180-degree turn with overhead strike, the pattern is done in reverse order. Again, after this turn, the first strike is to the right, left, upright, down left, step back and slice. Don't forget to drop your bottom hand. Up left, right, left, ready position. Now turn to thrust. Thrust overhead. 180 overhead strike. Now start again. Once you finish this third side of the drill, do not turn to thrust. Rather, do a single 180 with overhead strike. Now do the pattern again. As you complete this fourth side of the drill, turn to thrust again. Thrust, overhead strike, 180 with overhead strike. Here's where the drill finishes with a 180 with overhead strike followed up with another overhead strike while stepping either forward or backward. Here it is again. Work methodically one strike at a time for now. Remember that you can watch the video as many times as you need to. Don't go too fast. Master your form and timing with slow practice. Remember to stay balanced and keep a fairly upright posture in your torso. Don't hunch over. In the next section we will put the entire four-sided strike pattern drill together. Now combine side 1 of the drill with the other 3 sides to get the complete basic strike pattern drill. Remember to start with a thrust and left strike only on this first side. All other sides will be done in the opposite direction. Watch carefully. As these drills become more complex, you are giving your visual memory a greater and greater workout by learning them. It's like a memory game, and it's an excellent exercise for your brain as well as your body. Either use the commands we have given you, or make up your own commands for the strikes and say them to yourself as you practice. This will help you to memorize the pattern faster. Here's what it looks like performed a little bit faster. Here is one more fast demonstration.